My name is Aman Chawla. I'm from Mumbai, India. I enrolled in the Level 4 Tourism and Hospitality Management in C3S Business School here in Barcelona. And I joined in the October 2024 intake. We also had this welcome week where we had different classes based on how the legal procedures would be, and we also got to know each other. There were a lot of networking events. There was also this Halloween activity, which was really fun. We have now started our classes last week, and all of the staff has been very, very helpful. The professors have been amazing. I've been studying business, environment, and tourism and hospitality taught by Mr. Jordi Villanova, and he's been amazing as well. All the staff and faculty have been really helpful with everything. I'm really excited going forward and looking forward to my journey here in C3S Business School. Thank you.